Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class we have completed chapter 7 along the information pathways, and we have done all the activities in that chapter, that is Google Translate and dictionary called Olam Dictionary. Now in today's class we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 7, and the chapter name is known as data analysis. And in this chapter we are going to use an application called LibreOffice Calc. So I think you all have heard about Microsoft Excel, isn't it, dear students? Microsoft Excel. So the same purpose in LibreOffice Calc. So Microsoft Excel, whatever things we are using in Excel is also same in LibreOffice Calc. So I'll explain all the activities in this chapter, don't worry. So first topic, what is the definition of this LibreOffice Calc or spreadsheet? It is also known as spreadsheet. Okay, so in your textbook page number 51 you can see a blue box and it is written as spreadsheet. So this is a spreadsheet. Okay, so what is the use of it? Spreadsheet software is used for three purposes. The first one is organization, analysis and storage. Okay, organization, analysis and storage. So I'll write down here. So these are the three main purposes: organization, analysis and storage. So I'll explain one by one. So organization means what? Yes, here I have drawn a table and there are so many values, and these values are arranged in rows and columns. So which one is row? This one, this horizontal is known as rows. So this 1, this 2, this 3, this horizontal one is row, and which one is column? This A, this column A, name, second column March, third column May, fourth column July, likewise. Okay, so that is the meaning of organization. The values are arranged in rows and columns. Now the next one, what is the meaning of analysis? Analysis means using these given values you can find the total, that means the sum. You can find the average of these values, likewise. So you can do many calculations using the given values. Okay, so that is the meaning of analysis. And storage means you can save it in your computer, okay, in a folder. All these things, whatever things we are doing here, we can store it in our computer. So these are the three main purpose of spreadsheet. Okay, so what are they? Organization means what? It is arranged in rows and columns. The values are arranged in rows and columns. Analysis means using these values you can find the sum, average of these values and so on. You can do many calculations. Not only sum and average, you can do many other calculations, mathematics, and also you can store it in your computer. So this is a definition of spreadsheet. Okay, and LibreOffice Calc is an example for spreadsheet software. Also, Microsoft Excel is an example for spreadsheet software. Okay, so this is the definition of spreadsheet. Now let us move to the other things. Here you can see A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. So these are the column names. First column name is A, second column name is B, third column name is C, D, E and so on. And here you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3 at the left side, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. And these are known as row names. These are the row name 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. And this total, if I click here, this is known as this single square, this single rectangle is known as cell. This, there are so many cells here. This single rectangle is known as cell. So this is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell. These all small boxes are known as cell. Okay. And if I click here, if I click on March, you can see it is written as B1. That is the name of the cell, B1. Can you see here? Yes. So how it is named? This first it will write the column name, that is B, and what is the row name? 1. So it is B1. So what will be the name of this cell? 620. Yes. What is the name of the column? C. And what is the name of the row? 3. So the cell name is C3. So likewise each cell is having a name. Okay, so I hope that is clear to you. All these A, B, C alphabets are known as columns. All these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are known as rows. And when we each small boxes are known as cell, and cell has a name. How it is written? First you will write the column name, then row name. Okay, so that is naming conventions. Now how to calculate sum in spreadsheet. So I want to add these three values, March plus May plus July, 480 plus 530 plus 440. So we need to calculate it manually, right? So but this spreadsheet, this LibreOffice Calc will help us to do it in seconds, okay, automatically. So what you have to do, you just, here we want to find the sum here in this cell, right? Click here. After clicking here, what you have to do, you have to click on this button. What is this button called? Sum. So we just click on this button. So it will show you here equal to sum of which all cells, B2 to D2. B2 is this one, C2 is this one, D2 is this one. So how to find out the sum? B2 plus C2 plus D2. This one is B2, this one is C2, this one is D2. So we need to add this B2 plus C2 plus D2. So that is the meaning here, equal to sum of B2 colon D2. അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് എന്താണ്? B2 തൊട്ട് D2 വരെയുള്ള സെല്ല്, B2 തൊട്ട് D2 വരെയുള്ള സെല്ലുകൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. അതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഈ ഫോർമുലയുടെ അർത്ഥം. ഈക്വൽ ടു സം ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ B2 colon D2. അതിനർത്ഥം എന്താണ്? B2 തൊട്ട് D2 വരെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക, B2 plus C2 plus D2. Okay, then what you have to do, you just press the enter key in the keyboard, then you will get the sum. Yes, again if you want to know the sum of these three, B3 plus C3 plus D3, you can either follow the same step. I'll show you one more time. Okay, that is not needed. or else you can do what you can do, you just click on this cell, you have already find out the sum, and at the corner here you can see a cross mark. When you move your mouse to this corner of cell, you can see a cross mark, and you just drag this to down. So what happened, this formula is copied here. So here you can see, when I click here you can see B3 to D3 vare, so B3 plus C3 plus D3. If I click on this cell, B4 to D4 vare, so B4 plus C4 plus D4, B4 C4 D4. ഞാൻ ഈ സെല്ലിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ യു ക്യാൻ സി ഹിയർ B5 തൊട്ട് D5 വരെ, അതായത് B5 plus C5 plus D5. So I hope that is clear to you. Now we will find out the average. So you all studied in mathematics how to find the average. How to find the average, dear students? Please tell me. Sum or total divided by number of values. So total is 1450 divided by how many values here? 1 2 3. So 1450 divided by 1450 divided by 3, that is the average. So what you have to do, you just click on this cell, and write down the formula equal to, what is the cell name of this cell, this 1450? Yes, that is E2. So you just type the E2 divided by how many values I told you? 1 2 3. E2 divided by 3, and press enter key. Now it will show you the average. And like we have done dragged here, you can drag here also. Come to the corner, you can see a cross, click and drag to down, so it will show you the average. So this is very simple to calculate. Within seconds we can calculate the calculations. So I hope all these things are very clear to you. In the next coming classes we will study about how to add a graph in LibreOffice Calc. So that's all about today's class. Thank you very much, my dear students.